The Crockpot Cowboy mac and cheese. I'm gonna start with 2 pounds of ground beef. Throw it on the bottom there. Get it spread around the bottom. Once you have your meat on the bottom there, we're gonna throw in a chili seasoning pack over the top of that. And we're just getting started. We're also gonna add 2 cans of Rotel, the classic Rotel, as well as 2 cans of chili beans. Lots of flavor today, folks. And then finally, 4 cups of beef broth. Pour it over that. Give it a good squeeze, get it all out of there. And once you put your beef broth in there, just give it a good stir. Get the seasoning and everything, the Rotel and the meat and the beans all mixed together. And then once you've given it a good little mix, put the lid on. We're gonna cook it on high for 3 hours. All right, after about 3 hours, go ahead and take that lid off. We're gonna throw in 1 pound of elbow macaroni. Get that stirred into there for a second. And then we're also gonna add in 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. I shredded it myself because it just melts better that way than the bag stuff typically, from my experience. Get that stirred in a little bit. Then once you have that kind of pushed in there, you got 8 ounces of cubed Velveeta to get that extra melty goodness in there. Push that in there. Boom. Also, that macaroni was not cooked. You want to throw uncooked macaroni in there. All right, once you got it nice and mixed together, go ahead and put your lid on and let it cook for another 30 minutes. All right, after that's been cooking about 30 minutes, it should look a little something like this. It is smelling fantastic too. Let's just dig in. Look at that. Look at that cheesy goodness. Oh my goodness. Whoa, look at that. That is awesome. All right, let's dig right in. Gotta make sure I get beans, meat, and all good stuff. Y'all, I think this is my new favorite version of mac and cheese. It's hearty, it's cheesy, it's creamy. It's good. I'm for real. Like, next get together y'all got going on, try y'all some of this. Oh my goodness, just look at that.